Good morning to all of you. I hope you are very well. Today is starting accent in French language. Yes, accent would have a prominent place in all language. So now start apprenons les accents. Yes, this is les accents because S is a consonant and A is a vowel. I explained this rule in the last video. So now start apprenons les accents. Before starting the video, click on this red button and share this video more and more. So now start les accents. Yes. First one is l'accent aigu. In English, in the acute accent. The acute accent is only ever found above an E, as in A. Its role is to change the pronunciation of the vowel. Mark of this accent, this one, pronounced like in English, A, as in say or way. Example of this rule, this accent, école. École means school. Tele in the short form, tele. Television, television, television. Another one, l'accent grave, the grave accent. The grave accent can be found above an A, E or U, like A, U. It does a few different things. If we do not put this accent correctly, then our sentence will be wrong. For example, A, don't put this accent versus A, put this accent. A is the third person singular form of avoir. Avoir, what does means avoir? Avoir means to have. And A, put on this accent, is a preposition that can mean according to situation, at, to or in. La versus la. La is the feminine form of the word, meaning is the, or in other context it can be her, and la means there. Another example, u versus u. U means or and u means where. So for example, où est la gare? Where is the railway station? So now start. Another one is l'accent circonflexe. Yes, l'accent circonflexe, the circumflex. It can be found above all five vowels in French, like A, E, O, U. First, it tells you how to pronounce A, and O. A is pronounced roughly like an English A, as in hot. Example, chateau, 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 castle. And E is pronounced like an English as A, as in cat. The same if it was A with a grave accent. If, for example, être, to be. O is pronounced like an English O, as in bought or close. For example, hotel, hotel. Drôle, funny. Hotel, H is always silent in French. That is cases on hotel, not a hotel. This is pronunciation is hotel, hotel. When placed over an E or U, circumflex does not change the pronunciation. For example, île, it means island, and sometimes change the pronunciation. For example, don't put this accent, pronunciation is zun, meaning young, but zun, put on this accent, zun, fast, meaning is fast. Another accent is l'accent tréma. Lasothrema. Lasothrema is two little dots above a letter. It can be found above an E, I or U, like this one, E, I and O, U sorry. We need separately pronounced two vowel in Lathrema. For example, egoist, egoist, ego that is separately pronounced, and east that is separately pronounced. So for this pronunciation, egoist, egoist means selfish, and Noel, 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 it means Christmas. Another one is La Sedie, that is the cedilla. This accent mark only goes with the letter C. It is not found under any other letter. It is a simple symbol to understand. C with the cedilla is pronounced like an S. For example, garçon. C put this accent, garçon. Pronunciation is garçon. Garçon, it means boy. Française. Française, it means French. Before that, let's tell you an important fact. C after A, O and U gives K sound. For example, cabin, cabin. C after A, that pronunciation is cabin, cabin. C after E, I and Y gives S sound. For example, son, son, it means 100, and C after E, that means is 100. But put on this accent with C with the cedilla, always gives a sound. For example, garçon, garçon, it means boy, and C after O, that is not a pronunciation of garcon, because C put on this accent, that is cases of the garçon, not a garcon. Thank you for watching this video.